So these are already all the way loose. You want to start in the middle or out and kind of work them up. Don't do one all the way and then keep going down. You want to bring that shaft up evenly. We'll do this one. You can see how it's coming up evenly. And after they're all loose, you can put them all the way out. Alright, so the reason why you have to take these off is because you can't pull the injector without taking this side off, and then the bolt for the injector is underneath the valve side, so you got to take them both off in order to pop the injector out. Everything's loose. We'll grab them, we'll put them on the table. We'll grab the rocker shafts, put them on the table, and check out the injectors. So this one right here is going to be different than our videos so far because it's a dual overhead cam. This camshaft for this side is what pushes the injectors. So that's why this extra camshaft and rocker arms and rocker shafts all here for the injectors, because they are mechanical and not electronic. And to me, that's what makes these engines better than the other ones. There's some other things that make it better, but to me, this is one of the better of the ISX engines. So what I do is I lift up right here, and I kind of just guide my hand to about the middle, and then I pick up and pull them out. It's always good to have somebody on the bottom to hand them to you so you're not climbing up and down and take a chance on hurting yourself or somebody else. Ready?
Ready, go.
Alright, so all you do is you need a 10mm 12 point. Spin them all out. Already got the back too. Take the bolt out. You're going to take the bracket off of it that holds it down, and then where the bolt goes through, just get you a little adjustable pry bar and pop it and pull it out. Alright, now we got them all out, let's go inspect them. Don't see anything out of the ordinary. So if you're at home and you don't have spare parts, we're actually doing it on this one so y'all can see. We have a problem with the back 3 injectors, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the front 3 and move them to the back. And if our issue moves to the front 3, then we know the injectors have an issue going on. If it doesn't, then we know we have a problem with them 3 cylinders. So let's get these injectors back in and the rocker arms back on and fire up.